Great morning, everyone.
Great
My
morning.
name is Joan Trezevant. I'm a registered nurse of 37 years. Some of you are probably barely 37 years old. However, when I joined up with Myecon about 2 years ago, it took me about a month to adjust my W-4. Went ahead and I did that, and my first paycheck, I earned $600 extra. So that was a wonderful thing, but just keep in mind, I get paid twice a month. I took all of that and I started investing it into my retirement because I am ready to retire. So last year was my first year. I bought a second home. So credit score had gone from the 600 to 763. I bought the second home. Last year, at the end of this year, I was able to invest, max out my 403B. That was $24,500. So I was able to max that out, and I'm just still paying off the rest of the debt. I don't have car payment. I just have 2 house notes now. So I got to rent one or sell one.
See that?
I'm not sure how I'm going to work it out, but I'm going to work it out. Thanks to Myecon, it has brought me all of that, the increase in credit score. I'm able to put more into my retirement because I'm ready to retire. And I have no tax write-offs but my business because I'm single and both of my children are grown. So it has been a blessing, and I thank you as well, Mr. Dean, as well as Myecon for allowing me this opportunity. Thank you.